Hello guys, my name is Redit Mukhopadhyay and today I will be discussing about facade pattern or facade design pattern. So facade design pattern is a design pattern. It is factory design pattern in which the customer will not know about the what's going on in the background, but will actually take his order. Just like that. So facade is used in the front of a building. So just like this, in facade pattern, we do not care about what's happening in the background. So now let's see what is the difference between factory design pattern and facade pattern. Factory design pattern is a creational pattern and facade pattern is a structural pattern. So it has to do with classes. While factory design pattern has to do with creation or instantiation. So let's get started into the coding part. So first what we have to do is just all other projects we have to delete this code and import the ABC or the abstract base class. Actually, do not need to add this. It's done. So let's actually need this too. Okay. So here we are going to be taking the example of shapes. So there will be a shape called. There will be some shapes. Inside of the shapes, there will be a draw function. So just like every other project or every other project where there's interfaces, we will be implementing this. Actually, wait, we need to turn this into an abstract method. So we will be implementing this. So circle, and it will be implementing it into its own way. So circle will draw a circle in a different way, then rectangle or square will be drawing it in a different way. So what we are implementing the same method but using it for various tasks or using it in unique ways. So let's see, shape, and draw. Here we're just gonna be printing it, but there's also another idea. If you want to refactor, or if you want to add your own touches into it, you can just draw a circle with the turtle, built-in turtle. Actually you have to import it, I think so, in Python, but here I'm just gonna give an example. Same as do with class square and rectangle. So what we could do is that we can actually copy this. Let's change this to triangle, square. So actually I don't like this, what I have written. I don't like it. Now let's make another class which is called the facade shape. Here we're just gonna keep an in constructor in which we'll be creating the triangle, circle, and so on. Like triangle. Actually, first let's do with like circle, square, triangle. Okay. Now let's do self. Okay, now that that's done, let's now do like smaller methods like draw circle. Here we just calling the circles draw function. So the facade pattern is very easy. It's like a super simple design pattern. Actually, why didn't I do circle? Triangle. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be making another function called like draw shapes. In here we're just going to be calling the draw circle and like draw circle, draw square, and draw triangle. And we are just gonna straight away first let's make the facade shapes. Actually, it's not as simple. Now we're just gonna be calling this function draw shapes. So let's run this. Oh, first of all, I forgot to. Okay, I understand. So, if I look at the facade shapes constructor, you can see. Oh wait. So if you can see that there are these parameters, and so we have to fill in these parameters. So here, instead of just like creating the circle and all of the like shapes or instantiating them like outside of this bracket, you can just do it inside of the bracket by doing circle like this, square, now let's do this. And as you can see, it's now that it's working. So facade design pattern, so let's recalculate. So facade design pattern is a design pattern in which we are making like we are not going to be checking out what is happening in the inside. We're not going to be seeing what is happening in the inside, but we are gonna make it as simple as it can be and the outside. So that is facade design pattern. Bye guys, see you next time.